tracks on it, decent rubber on it. As you can tell, it's never been abused. So it's double plumbed on the front for auxiliary, and grapples, sweepers, whatever you have. You got a good guy operating it today, and so he's going to do a demonstration. He'll shut it off, he'll start it, and then we'll show you how well it operates. As I said, we got an operator extraordinaire here, so he'll start it and operate it for you. Runs clean. Great for your grading. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the market for a skid steer, you got a John Deere 250 here for you. As you can see, she operates well. It's not all banged up. No noted dents. Buckets got straight, clean lines on it. But if anybody needs a new bucket or a bigger bucket, I know a guy that can make them for you. Just reach out to me and I'll tell you who he is. It's a secret in the community, but he's a fabricator extraordinaire, works out of his farm. So ladies and gentlemen, and again, the hours on that, Lloyd?
972.
Pardon?
972.
972 hours showing on the digital display, and I assume that would be accurate by the condition of it. So ladies and gentlemen, you need yourselves a 250 Johnny Deere. Here it is for you. Bid, buy, and win. Get your work done.